Regarding CFO advisory, ano-ano nga bang mga visa ang hindi na required o hindi na kailangan mag-register at kumuha ng CFO? So according sa official website ng CFO or yung Commission on Filipinos Overseas, ito yung mga types of non-immigrant visas na hindi na required na mag-register or mag-undergo ng CFO's pre-departure program. So kung ang hawak mo na visa ay tourist or visit or any short stay visa, hindi mo na kailangan mag-register. And aside from that, kung ang visa mo ay student visa, work visa, digital nomad visa, hindi mo na din kailangan mag-register o kumuha ng CFO. And then, meron pang dependent visa, temporary residence permit or TRP, visa for Canada bound, hindi na din siya kailangan. Open work permit or yung tinatawag na OWP visa for Canada bound, hindi mo na din kailangan mag-register or mag-undergo ng CFO pre-departure program. Also, Filipino spouses, fiancés, and other partners of foreign nationals, former Filipino citizens, or Filipino dual citizens na ang hawak na visa ay tourist lang or visit visa or short stay visa. They also mentioned that they are no longer required to register with the CFO. And para naman sa mga holders ng working visas, kailangan nyo po mag-register sa Department of Migrant Workers or DMW. So kung yung mga nabanggit kong visas hindi na kailangan or hindi na required na kumuha ng CFO, ano-ano naman yung mga visas na kailangan mag-register and kumuha ng CFO? So according dito sa kanilang advisory, kung meron kang permanent residence or if you're considered as an immigrant na or meron ka ng long-term visa, kailangan mong kumuha ng CFO. Aside from that, spouse, fiancé, or partner visas naman na merong direct pathways to permanent residence, kakailanganin mo din ng CFO. And AU pair visa for Europe, kailangan din siya. And then, meron din ditong J1 visa bound naman for US. So, yun lang yung mga visa categories na kailangan kumuha ng CFO. And if you have any question or if you want to know more information and updates, punta lang kayo sa CFO website. And you can also visit their official FB.